Are you looking for the best industrial wood planer machine? In this video we will look at some of the best industrial wood planer machine on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Grizzly Industrial G1033X. The Grizzly Industrial G1033X and the Jet JWP208HH reviewed below are so similar both in looks and features, you'll think they are produced by the same company. Just like the Jet JWP208HH, the Grizzly Industrial G1033X is a heavy-duty floor wood planer that comes equipped with a 5 HP induction motor and a helical cutterhead with 92 four-sided carbide inserts. With a width capacity of 20 inches and a depth capacity of 8-5/8 inches, you can work with some really large boards when you get this Grizzly machine. A triple V-belt drive connects the 5 horsepower motor to the cutterhead, ensuring maximum power transmission to the cutterhead. Whether you run hardwood or softwood through it, the Grizzly G1033X performs well on any type of stock, producing very smooth and straight boards every time. With almost every part made of solid cast iron and steel, the G1033X weighs about 909 pounds, ensuring it remains steady and vibration-free during operation. Number 2. Jet JWP208HH. If you want to get a really powerful and accurate industrial wood planer machine, this Jet JWP208HH has my stamp of approval. It's a heavy-duty 5 horsepower industrial planer machine with a 20-inch width capacity. Unlike the benchtop models, with this you can dimension wider boards without any issue. This machine combines a powerful 5 horsepower induction motor with a helical cutterhead having 92 staggered carbide inserts to ensure the smoothest finish on the boards you plane with it. The power motor means you can plane any type of wood with it without overloading the motor. The carbide inserts for this cutterhead are sharpened on the 4 sides, which means you don't have to replace them immediately if they get dull or get nicked. You can easily loosen the affected insert and rotate it to a new edge, and it will work like new once again, with a good sharp edge. Talking about construction, the Jet JWP208HH has all parts made of iron and steel, which makes it very heavy and solid during operation, providing steady support for the workpiece. Number 3. Powermatic 209HH. Although this Powermatic 209HH industrial wood planer looks so similar with the Jet JWP208HH and the Grizzly G1033X, there's a little secret to the Powermatic 209HH that sets it a bit aside. It comes equipped with a bird helical cutterhead with 100 four-sided carbide inserts. A little different from the one on Jet and Grizzly, which has 94 carbide inserts each, but little differences like this can be seen in the final cut quality or smoothness of the stock. The machine is powered by a one-phase 5 horsepower 230 volts motor which rotates the cutterhead at a speed of 5,000 RPM and produces up to 20,000 cuts per minute on the wood. It comes equipped with a 2-speed gearbox that allows you to feed lumber through at 24 FPM and 31 FPM respectively. If you want it to run at lower feed rates, you can convert the gearbox to run at for speeds of 16, 20, 24 and 31 FPM respectively, allowing you to tweak the machine to work just the way you want. Number 4. Grizzly G5851Z. If you have some really wide boards to plane, then you need an industrial wood planer with a high width capacity, and one of the best one I know is the Grizzly G5851Z. The Grizzly G5851Z has a 24-inch width capacity backed by a 5 HP motor. So, even if you want to plane solid wood panels with it, just go right ahead and do it because you can. It comes equipped with a 3-1/8-inch straight knife cutterhead made of 4 high-speed steel knives, spinning at a speed of 5,200 RPM. In terms of performance, you can be certain you can feed any type of lumber through it and it will come out the other way, smooth and uniform without bogging down the machine. It's got a 2-speed gearbox which allows you to feed lumber through at 17 FPM and 26 FPM. Making depth adjustments can be done easily using a cast iron handle located right at the top of the machine. When it comes to build quality, The Grizzly G5851Z is well constructed with every part made of heavy-duty cast iron. This makes it very stable during operation and increases precision of cuts. Number 5. Powermatic 15HH Wood Planer. One of the most important part of a wood planer is the cutter head because its overall performance depends to a large extent on the quality of the cutter head. Talking about cutter heads, the Powermatic 15HH comes with a Tom Bird's helical cutter head. Bird cutter heads are usually made from stress-proof steel, which means they are made to withstand heavy-duty use. The helical cutter head is made up of 74 carbide inserts which are arranged in helical-shaped rows, thereby producing unparalleled efficiency and quality in the cuts produced on your stock. Another impressive feature of the Powermatic 15HH is the powerful motor that spins the cutter head. It is a 3 horsepower 230V TEFC, single-phase motor which can run continuously, providing enough power to withstand any task thrown at it. The in-feed roller of the Powermatic 15HH wood planer is serrated while the out-feed roller is very smooth. This is a very purposeful design that ensures boards are easily fed into the machine, while the smooth out-feed roller ensures that the planed wood exits smoothly and unmarred.